Hey everybody, we're here, we're back. We just want to talk about, what to do if you have a beautiful plant, how to care for it, and things that we'd recommend for customers, okay? So here we have the Caletheas, okay? This one does really well inside in the shade, okay? And people often say, what can we do if we see a brown leaf like this, you see? And this is very typical. If you see something like this happening with the plant, it's nothing to be worried about because, plants really do prosper and they do open and do have new leaves coming up, and then old ones are, doing this. So what you do basically is we just go and do a little pruning. What's really cool about plants is that they reflect what we are too, So there's areas in our lives that emotions, situation, problems, I'm late for something, and it becomes this like dead leaves like that. And so what we do is you prune them, and that's really what we also do in real life, with our daily lives, we just become pruners of problems and, situations that affect us. So it's just a little parallel that we have with other living things. There's not really the right or wrong way of doing this. What you're gonna do is just pull out all of the brown and the dead. It feels good to get a plant like nice and cleaned up like this. Feels like getting a haircut. You know that feeling, right? So actually doing this is really good for the plant because it leaves room for new stems to start coming out. It's necessary actually. Without this, it's like the plant can become a little too overwhelmed. Yep. Wow. The center has quite a bit of it. Here, here, here. Boom. Wow, look at all this. Nice, clean, and pruned. And we took all of this brown from it. So typically our plant material will not have any of this. This one we have it here just because we wanted to show you. This is just, what we do. You prune whatever is dry, whatever stems are, sometimes get all stagnant and they're not really producing new leaves. So when that happens, just clip them off, remove all of the brown, and water this plant at least once a week, and that should be fine. They like a little bit of light from a window or a door sill. This plant should do really well, should prosper, should start propagating and giving you more beautiful leaves like this. I love this pattern. It feels as if it was hand painted, and I know it probably was because it's God created. So that's it. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what to do with plants when they start to have a lot of brown leaves and things like that. That's all you do. Remove the dead, water it, take care of it. You could do it on a Sunday and just enjoy your time with the plants, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.